Hey girly, Pandora here with another video. We are starting with makeup on our face for this little quick tutorial for Valentine's Day. This is going to be day 2 Valentine's Day makeup. We are going to conceal the eyes with a light beige. This Valentine's Day look, I want to do like a black kind of sultry 20s-ish kind of vibe. It's like along those lines, but you'll see as we'll get there. Now we're going to go into the Define palette from Maven Beauty. We're going to go in with the matte black shadow. Now we're going to the Mocha P Beauty palette. We are going to be using the color Better Half. Now in the same palette, we're going to be using the color Darling. This glitter black wasn't showing up too much sparkle on it, like it shows a little bit in the palette, but I like that it was kind of like an overall matte shadow look with different blacks. Now we're going into the Juvia's Place palette, the Magic Mini by Juvia's, and we're going to be using the color Vi. Now we're going back into the Mocha P palette. We're going to be using the color B, just to add a little purple shimmer on top of the silver shimmer. And then for our under eye in the Mocha P Beauty palette, we are going back into the Better Half color to line our eyes. Now we're going into the Maven Beauty blush in the color Orchid. And we're going to do that on the cheeks of our face, and then I am putting it like all the way up to my temples. Then we're just going to quickly line our eyes and apply mascara. I am going in with a charcoal lip liner. Then I'm going into Black Radiance lipstick in the color Black. And I did use like an ear swab, a cotton swab, to like smudge out the black. And then I applied a gloss and I applied lashes off camera. This is the completed look. Let me know what you think down below and if you would wear this for Valentine's Day. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.